Hey guys, welcome to my channel. So today I just wanted to pop on here real quick and show you how I organize my paperwork. Well, at least most of it. My Zumba stuff is not organized in any way yet because I've only been a Zumba instructor for a little over a week. So if you want a video on how I organize my Zumba instructor stuff, let me know down below and I will totally do that video. But I just recently went through my paperwork, so that's this pile, and this is how I organize, and I reorganized this bin. This is either from Walmart or Ollie's, I can't remember, and I got this, which is how I organize my receipts, if I could talk. And I got this when I took an event planning course a few years back. So this is a freebie, and I think you could probably buy these at Walmart or Ollie's or wherever else. You could probably get these at the dollar store too. Okay, so we'll start with this, and this is just, I have a category for, hold on, let me see if it's gonna come up. The camera would focus. Yep, personal, and that just means personal receipts, business, coupons, and then I have a category for last year. And then I have a category for recipes, like, because I used to take the shopping with me, so that you get off the store, and stickers. Because I collect stickers, and I get a bunch of weird stickers. I don't know how I got them, and I don't know where I got them from. But that's actually come in handy. I never thought they would. So I keep them in there. So if I have to bribe somebody, or somebody wants a sticker or something, that's where I get them. So that's that. And then this green thing, let's see, I have categorized into EMT and fire. Let me find the tab. Education, health, personal, bank account, credit card, and the camera's going out of focus again. And finally, student loans. And this is, I've got plenty of other tabs for more stuff, and I was going to show you. When I got it, it came with this and a few where you could write your own stuff in. I've actually used all of them where you could write your own stuff in, because I didn't like how they labeled the category, like finance isn't going to work with loans for me because it's student loans, not other types of loans. So yeah, and now I have a label maker, so I could make my own tabs anyway if I need it. And she wants to say hi. She has been trying to help me all day. But that is it for paperwork organization. I just keep this. I used to have two big bill boxes, if you know what I'm talking about, for paperwork, and it just didn't work for me. So now I've switched over to this, and this works out great, and I work in this, and this works out great as well. So that is it for how I organize my paperwork. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. If you've not done so already, hit the red subscribe button down below, and I guess we will see you in the next video. Thank you for watching, and bye bye.